Welcome to Epic Food Discovery Channel. Last year when we visited Thailand, we just fell in love with this recipe. It's called Pad Thai. We put here all the ingredients that we're going to use: green onion, shrimps, peanuts, 2 eggs, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, peanut butter, half a lemon, and this pack of noodles right here. All of this is enough portion for one person. First step is to cut the green onion. Small pieces, big pieces, doesn't matter. Just cut it any way you want. We're gonna crush the peanuts. These are the peanuts. Third step is to make the sauce. For the sauce, peanut butter, 1 small spoon. I mean, you can put as much as you want. Depends how much of a fan of peanut butter you are, but I'm guessing if you're making this recipe, you like peanuts and you don't have any allergy. Fish sauce. Soy sauce we like to use. Some recipes use soy sauce, some don't, but we like it with soy sauce. Sweet chili sauce. And a bit of sugar. We mix it now as much as we can. In a pot with boiling water, we put the rice noodles to boil. In a hot pan, we put the butter. Add the shrimps. Fry the shrimps for 2-3 minutes because usually they get fried very fast. Add the green onion so it gets fried with together with the shrimps. Add 2 eggs. Mix the eggs with the shrimps and the onion. All this time the fire is strong on the gas stove. Now we cook the eggs really fast. We put some of the peanuts. Not much, just like that. So everything gets roasted together. Put the rice noodles and our sauce. Leave it for a couple of minutes to boil together, to get all the flavors from the sauce. Now it's finished, and the last thing we're gonna do is put lemon. It works even better if you have lime. Put some extra peanuts on top here, and if you have coriander or any green vegetable, put this as well on the top. And there you have it. This is our Pad Thai recipe. If you like it, make sure you subscribe and like our channel, and bon appetit. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.